So I asked a bot to show me hot Amazon products, hot Amazon niches that I can focus on. And this bot did accurately and for free. So in this video, I want to show you how a simple free bot will help you narrow down your Amazon affiliate search, your Amazon affiliate product that you can start affiliating almost immediately. So you are going to be doing this using a free bot, a free software called chatGPT. So this is currently the hottest bot currently on the internet, on the online space, and a lot of content creators are using this bot to make content creation easier. So I asked myself, how would this bot help me and my Amazon affiliate business? So I said, let me ask this bot to give me hot Amazon products that I can sell. And to my surprise, this bot delivered. So let me show you how. The first thing is to go to your browser, and then you want to just type ChatGPT, and Google is going to take you right here. And this is a bot from OpenAI, and this bot is completely free, at least for now. And what you have to do is come right here and click try ChatGPT. So it's probably going to ask you to fill in your name, your email, and some of these kind of things. And with that setup, you'll be ready to go. So now it's testing my connection to see if my connection is secure or not. And I think we are fine. So we are here, and this is what this bot is going to appear like. You can just say, explain what is a quantum computing in very simple terms. So let's try that and see if this bot is going to reply. So you see, this bot is performing magic and is trying to break everything down for you. So this is basically a sample of what this bot can do. So you can see in less than 3 seconds or 5 seconds, this bot has generated very good content for me. But let's say I don't like this, I can just say regenerate response, and it's going to repeat this response in another format, in another way, and you can just use this for your content. However, we want to use this for Amazon, we want to find hot Amazon products, hot Amazon niches, so you can, as an Amazon affiliate marketer, can find products that you can easily affiliate. So now what you need to do, you can just come to, this is the chat button. So you can just come here and say, make a list 10 hot Amazon kitchen niches. This depends on your own niche. So I'm just going to use this as an example. So you say it's going to, now as you can see, it starts generating these niches, and it gives you some of the ideas. It gives you ideas. These are already subcategories in these niches that you can focus on. So number 1 right here, it says is health and wellness, which is common knowledge, everybody knows this. Number 2, I'm just going to wait for it to finish. So number 2 is beauty and personal care, but it still tells you that inside of beauty and personal care, you can find products related to skincare, makeup, hair care, and other personal grooming items. So right here it says home and kitchen. This includes a wide range of products for home and furniture, appliances, kitchen gadgets, and all of that good stuff. So at number 4 says outdoor gear and equipment, baby and child care, electronics, pet care, hobbies and collectibles, fashion, and food and beverage. But let's say we want to deal with home. Let's say we want to say kitchen gadgets. So you can copy that, and then you can come down here again and say lists. So right here I just asked it to help me list the 10 best selling Amazon kitchen gadgets, and as you can see, is helping me list these things in less than 5 seconds, 10 seconds, and then I have 10 best selling Amazon kitchen gadgets. So you can repeat this process for skincare, for pets, for golf, for sports, for anything at all. you can just use these simple commands to find hot products. So you can see it actually gives you the names of these products. But if you want to verify this thing again, I'm just going to copy this number 3 that says dash rapid egg cooker, and then I go to Amazon. So I go to Amazon and then I want to search for this. I want to see if it actually does have some searches on Amazon. So when I paste this, I'm going to find some ideas from Amazon if people are actually searching for this. So as you can see, people are actually searching, and that's why you have this pre-filled. That's why you have this pre-filled information right here. So you can see we have dash rapid egg cooker 6 egg capacity, dash rapid egg cooker 12 egg capacity, and stuff like that. So let me go to YouTube and see if people are actually searching for this on YouTube. So this YouTube, I have switched to an incognito tab so it doesn't affect our research. So I paste that again, and then if I hit search again, YouTube does the same thing. As you can see, dash rapid egg cooker, dash rapid egg cooker for omelets, for soft boiled, and a whole lot of them. So I want to use this one that says review, because people who watch review videos are people who are interested in buying stuffs like that. So the key thing here is that people are actually searching, which puts you in a position to make your own product link found. So when you click on review, you want to see what other persons are already doing. So you can see we have this is a review from like 2 years ago, and it has over 70,000 views already. This one has 200,000 views. This one has 1.6 million views. All right, and these are already, there's a gap in this content because these videos are at least 1 year old, which means if you create your own video, you are going to be given the opportunity to rank higher because you have created fresher, newer content. So you can see that a lot of persons are making videos like this. So let's say I clicked on this one. Let's say if I click on this one, you notice that they are basically trying to achieve the same thing as you, but this video is old, and this gives you an opportunity to rank. So as you can see, even though this video is 4 years old, after making that search, after making the search, it comes and this is their affiliate link. All right, so let's go back and continue our search. And if you scroll down again, you notice that most of these videos are old. Okay, so we have one here which is just 5 days, and this one has 86 views, and this one is 1 year. I think this is the most recent video right here, and it shows you that you have an opening right here. So you can do this across different kind of niches, different kind of product, and you are going to find hot products by just asking a bot to help you do it. So let's try something else. Let's open another one. So this one, it says Vitamix 2500 blender, Keurig classic coffee maker, Oster kitchen wine bottle opener. So let's try something else. Let's say we want to say list five top products for, let's say, golf Amazon associate. I don't think this is the right term, but you know what I mean. So let's see if it's going to return anything for us. So there was an error generating this response. So from time to time, you are going to be getting some kind of error depending on how strong your network is. My network isn't that very strong. So you just have to repeat this process and generate hot selling Amazon content without any extended research. this bot helps you to do this research. So this is how you can use ChatGPT plus Amazon to find hot Amazon products and hot Amazon niches. I hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching. If this video helped you, please like this video and subscribe to this YouTube channel. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.